Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Thakur and currently I am pursuing computer science and engineering from Sir M. Vishweshwara Institute of Technology, and my job role is AIML, and I had great experience learning from Roman Technologies and partnering companies as IBM Vadwani, and it is a great learning experience by resources they provide, and the live lectures they provide and the doubt solving sessions all were too good to learn and get the live experience of the course and how the things work at the industry level, and it was a great experience. Thank you, Roman.
My name is Shashank and I'm from Jyoti Institute of Technology. I want to share my experience with the internship program provided by IIT Guwahati and Rooman Technologies. So the teaching is really good. The trainers explain everything so clearly, and the LMS provided by them, it's pretty simple and easy to use. It has everything that we need: the videos, the quizzes, the assignments. So thank you for providing us with this wonderful opportunity.
My name is Yuta and I'm from Maratha Mandal College. My job role is AI data analyst, and they have provided us courses that is from Roman Technology. We have learned Python programming. We have learned how to fetch the data, how to understand about data. It is all about data science, and it has helped us to understand how data actually works and how we can store the data, everything about data. And from Vadvani Skillings, we have learned how to develop our skills and how to solve the problems by communicating efficiently. And this all we have learned from the Roman technologists.
Hello, my name is Azam Pasha and I am from RTS Royal Engineering College, Pulkoti, Garam. I would like to share my experience from the 3 months internship at Rooman Technology in the field of cloud computing. During the internship, I was trained on a IBM Cloud by experienced trainers from IBM. The entire program was conducted and it was smooth and well structured. Every session was clear and informative, and the content was delivered in a way that was easy to understand. The best part was the LMS platform, which provided hands-on experience and practical knowledge that was very engaging.
Hello everyone, my name is Vatisha Shamnaik. I am from Arvas Institute of Engineering and Technology, and my role for the job is Cloud Application Developer. It has been an enriching experience providing valuable insights into the world of cloud computing and its practical application. The sessions were well structured, offering a balance and a theoretical knowledge and hands on exercises, and also in the deployment and development. The mentors were approachable and provided clear guidance, making complex concepts easier for grasp. The internship has significantly improved my skills and in confidence in working with cloud-based technologies, preparing me for future opportunity in this domain. Thank you.
I'm Priyanshu Prasad from Shirdi Institute of Engineering and Technology. Tumkur, pursuing Bachelor in Engineering and Computer Science. I'm currently interning as a trainee with Roman Technology through an initiative by VTU. This internship has been incredibly valuable and providing hands-on experience. The flexibility of this online internship allows me to balance my studies while gaining important career experience. Thank you, Roman Technologies, for giving me this amazing opportunity.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಆಕಾಶ್ ಅಂತ GMT ಕಾಲೇಜಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏನು ನೀವು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಬಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಕೊಡ್ತಿರೋಂಥ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೀವೇನು 5+ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ನ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಜಾಬ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನೀವೇನು ವಾದ್ವಾನಿಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Hello, myself Shivling from BKD College. The Roman technology is providing the various skills such as the technical skills as well as the soft skills. In the Roman Technologies program, internship program, there are the more than 5+ companies, the tycoons of the India all over the world. They are also providing us a great opportunity to the industrial and upcoming technologies undergoing in the world. So I will thank the overall program conducted by the VTU, and thank you so much.